everybody. This is Becca from Empowering Pumps and Equipment. Today, I have Rob Coffey with Proco Products with me today. So Rob, why don't you introduce yourself?
Hi, Becca. Good morning. I'm Rob Coffey with Proco Products. I'm the Vice President of Sales and Marketing. Proco is an expansion joint manufacturing firm. It's been in business since 1985. And we primarily sell rubber expansion joints, PTFE lined rubber expansion joints, convoluted PTFE expansion joints, braided hose, some metallic expansion joints. So we cover markets anywhere ranging from the HVAC market to the industrial markets to water and wastewater.
Wonderful. Well, it's great to have you here. And today we're going to talk about AHR. So AHR is the essential event for the HVACR industry. And, on their website, they've been kind of saying this quote about, see the new tech that's making our world smarter, faster, cleaner, better. How would you say that Proco is making the world better in the HVACR space?
Well, expansion joints are a vital part of a piping system, and whether it's metal hose or rubber type expansion joints for the hot water and chiller systems in the HVAC world, Proco's expansion joints, with the rubber expansion joints, we have adhered to some of the regulations out in the market, one being the low lead for both EPDM and neoprene. So we adhere to ANSI NSF 372 for potable water systems. If that's a need in the HVAC world, we do have our products in the EPDM fashion, adhering to ANSI NSF 61, which is the potable water standard. And we have also been working on developing an expansion joint for hot water service, where we have high tensile strength materials and EPDM with a peroxide cure, so it gets better performance in the higher temperature water systems. So those are the improvements that we have made, which makes the world a better place. And anyway, there you go.
Awesome. Well, you kind of, were able to tell us some of the things that Proco offers, but what specifically are you planning to showcase at the show this year?
Well, we will be showing the new product, which is our series 281 and 282, which is the high tensile strength reinforced fabric material, good for hotter service with the EPDM tube and cover with a peroxide cure. So again, that's going to be for your hot water systems, and we will be showing that product at the show.
So for that product specifically, what is kind of the problem that it's going to be able to solve for people?
Well, typically with rubber expansion joints, you have outer temperature limits, and in some HVAC applications, you have high pressures combined with the high temperature. And so with your nylon fabrics or your polyesters, the fabric material over time will degrade more. And so you want a higher temperature fabric reinforcement to get good service in those high pressure, high temperature applications such as hot water systems. So we feel this will be an improvement and something for us to be able to market and sell into the HVAC world.
Awesome. Well, I'm very much looking forward to hearing more about it at the show. What would you say you're most looking forward to with connecting with the HVACR industry professionals?
Well, I think with everybody in the last couple of years, we've had to be separated from our peers, and so just being able to get back into the game, meet people face to face, share experiences. I think that's what we see at Proco Products as hopefully getting back to some new normal, and just being out there and meeting with our reps, because it's been some time since we've really been able to do that, and just be able to see people again. I think that's what's really important to us. We miss that here at Proco.
I agree 100%. And, being in Vegas isn't too bad either. So why don't you tell me, what's the best way to connect with you?
What's the best way to connect with us?
With you and Proco.
Oh, well, certainly at the show, we'll be there. Stop by and say, hey, we're looking forward to, like I say, seeing everyone. Proco has been around for a long time. We're part of the Fluid Sealing Association, which is a group of folks that come together to write standards. So, we believe in good designs and, making sure that our products are suitable for market conditions. So I just finished up a 3.5-year presidency with the FSA. So I passed those duties along to a colleague of mine. His name is Tom Jessup, with EGC International. So I have a little bit more time to focus now on items with Proco. So I'll be looking forward to helping our customers and certainly seeing them at the show.
Yes, and love the fluid sealing shout out. And definitely, people need to make sure to stop by the Proco booth to learn more about you guys, your hot water applications, products that you're going to be launching. And also you can learn about the Fluid Sealing Association.
No, we will have a placard in the booth noting the Fluid Sealing Association. And for the engineers that will be visiting, I think it's important for them to know that there is a place for design, and it's not just one company, it's several companies that come together to write standards. So I think that's important for industry, and certainly the Fluid Sealing Association, which has been organized since 1933, I believe, will do that for the engineering community.
Wonderful. Well, Rob, thank you so much for your time. And I'm very much looking forward to seeing you in the Proco booth at AHR.
Thank you. And thank you for having me today. Appreciate it.